How do peeps? Here we are in Scarborough. Quick weekend. Well, quick Sunday night anyhow. No, I'll ask. And my old ma. Say hello, Mum.
Hello everyone, I'm famous.
She's a dick.
She's a dick.
So, just going across Valley Bridge. Get a nice view of the South Bay. I've just took my drone over and it upset the seagulls, so I had to bring it in a bit early. But however, hopefully tomorrow, I'll get out tomorrow as well. We're going to be staying there in the notorious Grand Hotel. Grand by name, will it be grand by nature? We'll find out on a review.
On a review,
yeah. So far we found a really nice place to eat. For anyone that's vegan. It's the smallest cafe in Scarborough. It does really good food, really good service. I forgot what it's called. You give me 2 seconds, I'll find out for you. He gave me a card. That's it there. So any vegans, anyone that's interested in vegan food, you must eat there. The smallest cafe in Scarborough. And some of the nicest food I've had for a long time. But don't tell I'll ask that. Right peeps, I'll catch up with you after we book in. Oh, there's the Rosses.
You bought the YouTuber now, you know. Make it nice. I think this is bike and book.
The Grand Hotel. So this is where we're going to be staying tonight. The majestic Grand Hotel in Scarborough, North Yorkshire. There's the grand entrance. I'll do peep, so our room now, room number 17, which is a room in the basement of the Grand Hotel. It's a bit of a dim room actually. There's not a lot of light in it. However, what makes up for that is we've got a sea view. Didn't pay for a sea view. This room did cost only £35 a night, and we've got a lovely sea view. So happy about that. And a view of the tram and Valley Bridge. The bed looks alright. A bit of a test. Oh, bit soft. Oh, bit soft. So you've got a couple of, well, we've got 3 chairs, got a TV, got a mirror. Obviously a mirror. You've got a kettle. Bit of lime scale in there, but not to cry about. Cups which are clean, milk and all your teas and your coffees, but there's no biscuits. You've got loads of information leaflets in here. TV's what control is there as well. Let's see if it works. Yeah, that works. There you go. We've got an ironing board. spare pillows, an iron. Look at the iron. Iron's nice and clean. We've got our lass there. Bedside lamp, radiator, toilet and bathroom. There you go, there's me. Sink seems nice and clean. It looks like it's had a recent bit of a paint job. Got a bath with a couple of marks in the bath. Oh, there, that looks like something's been dropped or something. Shower head is a lot cleaner than the Royal Hotel shower head that was just absolutely embedded with line scale. A bit of moulded corners there. Then we've got a whirlpool bath, jacuzzi bath. Let's see if it works. Oh yes. Toilet, a couple of skinny stains in the toilet, I'm not even joking. But not really asked. Yeah, it's not too bad. Really, I was hoping to be disappointed and be able to slag it off and whatever else, but no, I'll be honest, I'll give it an honest review. For 35 quid, can't grumble. Apart from the lighting, because there isn't any, it's alright. The room's tidy, it's clean, doesn't smell. Yeah, that's about it really. And the view, the best part. You can see right down to the spa and all the way to Caton, probably Filey and beyond, as far as the eye can see. What do you say, our lass? Ta-ra, peeps.
Ta-ra, peeps.
Ta-ra. Grand Hotel Scarborough. It's okay. I can check in. Check-in took a bit of time, but I'm yet to be disappointed. Value for money. Yeah. 35 quid. Can't grumble. It's warm. It's clean. Like I say, it doesn't smell. Cabaret ballroom circle seating. It's dark in here. It's like a bit of an entertainment centre. Well, they do the turns, I think. Yeah, it is quite a bit of snagging to be done in here, like a bit of painting here, a bit of touching up there, but certainly better than some of the reviews I've read. Some of the reviews just aren't justified. Lots of mirrors, lots of sofas. Lots of gallayas. There's only one gallaya. I just know that. Yeah, they do weddings and whatever here. Quite reasonably priced actually for a wedding function at £499 in the Palm Court ballroom. Wedding packages from £499.
See through there?
Yeah, I mean, a reasonable size for a small, average sized wedding. That's it. Got a bit of radio right on the piano.
All those
Some bird with boobies out. Cocktail bar. Used to be a cocktail bar. Oh, lounge, eh?
Everyone has a party with private lounge.
Yeah. It's a massive hotel, I must say it's massive. The size of it is absolutely humongous. Push baby, push. Lots of information leaflets on what to do. Where to go. Public bar. Ah, it's a public bar. Just a bit of a bar there.
It's a survivor.
That's it. And the view.
Dancing's dark camp.
That's about it. And the bar. Right, catch us later, peeps. Ta-ra. A Grand Hotel, Scarborough. $365 rooms, 4 turrets, its own seawater spa, got used to have that, 35 quid a night. Can't grumble.
Can't grumble.
Ta-ra, peeps.
Ta-ra.
Ta-ra.
Talking to the songbird yesterday, flew me to a past I